Frigidaire FFRE0633S1 6000 BTU 115V window mounted mini compact air conditioner review 2019. 2016 Energy Star 12.2 energy efficiency ratio, year 6000 BTU mini compact air conditioner for window mounted installation.Plug type, LCDI 5 to 15p quickly cools a room up to 250 SQ. Ft.Window Width 23 inches 36 inches. Window height 14 inches. Dehumidification up to 1.3 pints per hour.Exterior dimensions width 18.5 inches. Dimensions, exterior. Cabinet depth, with front 15.5 inches. Cabinet height 13.43 inches. Cabinet depth 14 inches. Clean air ionizer removes pollen and impurities from the air, providing relief for allergy. FFRE0633S1 certifications and approvals. Safety certification, Outcol, SA 11087 CSA listed, NOETL listed, NONSF certified, NOADA compliant, NOL listed, YES Energy Star certified, yes. Electrical specs, plug type, LCDI 5 to 15p amps, cool, 4.5 horsepower, cool, 0.66 power cord length, 6.5 voltage rating, 115 V60 Hz watts, cool, 490 general specs, BrandFamilyFrigidaire, YES product weight, pounds, 45 window width, 2336 window height, 14 shipping weight, pounds, 54 reconditioned, NO warranty, 1 year full 5-year sealed SYSTEM annual COST.12 kWh, 44 refrigerant, R410A product launch, NA power type, ELECTRIC size, NA installation type, window MOUNTED collection, Frigidaire. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.